Hey guys, so let's talk about Pinterest affiliate marketing. I spent the last few months deep diving into what the top 1% of affiliate accounts are actually doing to make money on the platform right now in 2025, and I discovered that they all share one core secret. They almost never link directly to a product. Instead, they use a simple but powerful system that most beginners completely overlook. And in today's video, I'm going to show you this exact method that gets better results with less effort. And if you want to see my #1 recommendation to make money online as fast as possible, the link is waiting for you in the description below. Alright, in case you're new to this, here's the quick version. Pinterest affiliate marketing is where you create pins that link to products or services. And when someone discovers your pin, they click the link and they make a purchase, you earn a commission. The reason this works so well on Pinterest is because it's not just a social media platform. It's actually a search engine. Because people are actively on there searching for ideas, solutions, and products every single day. And since users are already in a buying mindset, they are way more likely to convert. So let's start with step 1, which is research. Instead of picking a niche you think will work, we're going to work backwards and let the data tell us what people already want to buy. First, we're going to go straight to Pinterest Trends. This is a free tool inside your professional Pinterest account. Right away, you can see the top trending searches. The trend I want to explore today is home coffee station. It's a huge aesthetic-driven niche that's popular year-round. We can see related searches like coffee bar styling, espresso machine. This is just a goldmine. Now to stand out, we need to find a more specific long-tail keyword. Instead of a paid tool, we're going to go use another free one, Google Trends. Since Pinterest trends often follow Google Trends, this is a great way to validate our idea. We can type in home coffee station and see the interest is consistently high. More importantly, we can look at related queries and find breakout keywords like apartment coffee bar ideas. That's perfect. It's specific, it targets people in smaller spaces, and it's exactly what we need. Now we'll head over to Amazon since it's the easiest affiliate program to get started with, and we'll type in our new keyword, apartment coffee bar. And I like to filter by 4 stars and up to make sure that we're promoting products that people actually love. So let's pick these top 4. A sleek espresso machine, a nice wooden tray, some aesthetic glass mugs, and a cool syrup dispenser set. Now for the fun part, creating the pins. I know from experience that this is where a lot of people get stuck. You're not a graphic designer, and on a platform that's 100% visual, that can feel intimidating. And that's exactly why we're going to use a free tool like Canva. Canva is a design platform made for people who are not designers, and it has thousands of templates that make creating beautiful pins incredibly simple. So let me show you how quickly you can create a high quality pin. We're going to go to Canva and search for Pinterest pin templates. There are literally thousands of these. And I like this clean, minimalist one right here. Okay, so first I'm going to change the text to 5 apartment coffee bar ideas. Now I need to add the product photos, and the great thing about Canva is you can just drag and drop the product images that you saved right into the editor. I'll arrange them right here, and there we go. We have a professional looking pin that showcases the products clearly. All in all, that took less than 5 minutes. Now you just download it as a PNG, and it is ready to upload to Pinterest. Now for the most important part of this new strategy, instead of linking our pin directly to an Amazon product, we are going to link it to a simple product review article, a bridge page. This builds more trust and allows us to promote multiple products at once, and we're going to use AI to do all the heavy lifting. I'm going to go to Claude, which is another great AI tool, and give it this simple prompt. Write a short, friendly blog post titled 5 game-changing items for your apartment coffee bar. Include these specific products and make sure to use my affiliate links for each one. Then I just paste in the product names and my links, and let's see what it does. And here's what we got. It looks great, and it broke down the key features of each item, which is super helpful for somebody doing research. It already has my affiliate links baked in, and all we have to do is add our product images. Now, where do you post this article? There are tons of options, but I highly recommend Substack, and you can start a publication for free. It looks clean and professional, and here's the key. It's also an email newsletter platform. So every person who reads your article can also subscribe, letting you build a long-term audience. It's a 2-for-1 basically. And once your article is live on Substack, just upload your pin to Pinterest, Add a link to your article in the destination URL field, click publish, and let the traffic start flowing. So you've probably seen those videos with the gurus and rented Lamborghinis claiming they make 10K a month overnight on Pinterest. And let's be real, based on my experience, it's definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is a game of consistency. From what I've seen, you need to be posting multiple new pins every single day to really get the algorithm working for you. And that used to sound exhausting, but now with tools like Canva and Claude, you can batch create a week's worth of high-quality pins and articles in a single afternoon. AI gives you an unfair advantage, so I highly encourage you to try it and not get discouraged if you don't see sales in the first week. It took me time to get my first commission, but once it starts, it's an amazing feeling. And if you want to see my #1 recommendation to make money online, the link is waiting for you in the description. I will see you guys in the next one.